Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a line graph on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. Now if you want to make a graph chart of this data, just click on insert and then on the chart option you can find a line chart. Then just click here and then choose any line as you want. If I select 2D line, then you can see this blank page. Then just put the cursor here and then right click. Then click on select data, then click on add, and here you can see series name option. Then you have to type people millions here. Then click on series values, then click on this arrow icon, then just clear it. Then select your all the column B data, then click on this arrow icon, then click on OK, and here you can see horizontal category option. Then just click on edit, then click on this arrow icon, then select year from here. Then click on this arrow icon again, then click on OK, then click on OK again, and it's done. You can see your line chart has been created successfully. And then at the top you can see chart style option, and from here you can change your chart style. You can choose any style as you want. And that is how you can make a line chart on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.